Now, the third chapter in the series, the first 5 letters we have already discussed, and now is the chance for the next letter, and that is none other than letter F. Okay, so be very careful how it is going to go. See, like this, then you have to go down, and then finally like this. Okay, so this is how a letter F is made. So I'll take you step by step. See, you have to make a wavy line, a curvy line 1, then you have to go down and curve it up, that is 2, and then finally you make number 3. I'll make it little easier for you. So how are we going to do this? Like this and like this. This is your letter F. Okay, I'll take you to the lines again. This is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3. Okay, so now I'll take you step by step. What are these steps? First is this, right? The line should go like this. In fact, it has to actually it has to actually touch and then move like this. So you have to touch it in the 2 points, right? Then when you go down, so this is like you go up, you go down, and you go up, then you go like this. This is how is your second line. So I'll put it across to you. This is your line number 1. This is your line number 1 plus this is your line number 2. So you are going in this way and then this way. And let's go to the last one. You have to touch it at 2 points here. Go down. Till here you've already done. Now what you can do is you can create like this 2 dots, right? And then try to touch this up and go down like this. So this will be easier for you, right? So again, if I go over here, it is like 1, and then it is 2, and then it is 3. So if I have to make a final F over here, what am I going to do? I'll touch here, I'll touch here, I will go down, and then what will I do? I will touch here and like this. This is your letter F. Suppose I have to write something here. How am I going to write? I will touch here, go down, go like this, put it up, put it down like this, and from this I am going to write like frog. Correct? So this is the cursive F. Yes, I know, the toughest one. Everybody feels that. Alright, let's go to the next one. And this is the letter which will be using all the 4 lines. You remember I told you in my first video that capital line, waistline, baseline, and tail line. So same thing you have to do over here also. So what are we going to do? We'll go like this, we'll go like this, we'll go up, we will go like this and like this. Correct? So I'll show you all these steps one by one. So this is your step 1. Then you have your step 2. And going forward, you have to come down. This is your step 3. And then you can take it step 4. Right? So this is how you are going to make letter G. Okay, let me take you again over here. I will go here, I will come here, I will come here, go down, and like this. This is your letter G. Yes, I know many of you have the question that it looks more like Y, not G. But yes, in cursive, G is written this way. Alright, I'll take you through step by step. So this is one step, right? This is right from 1 to 2. That is from the baseline to the capital line. Once you've done this, then you have 1 and 2. Correct? So this is 1, 2, and this is number 3. Basically what I'm trying to do is, this is 1 and this is your 2. Okay? Then what is the next step which I will do? I will say 1, this is 2. Now what is the next step which we will do? We will go down and put it like this. Correct? You have to cut it. See, you have to cut the line at this point. That's the most important step. Correct? So I'll show it to you. The final G which we make like this. And if you have to write something, suppose we say like this, we go down, this is like grass. So this is your cursive letter G. Okay. Now we go to the next letter. You have to actually make it like this, and then you are going to go here and put it like this. Correct? Okay. So what are these steps over here? See, this is your first step. Second is your this step, and third is your this step. Okay, I'll show it to you one by one. See, how are we going to do this? This is, you go like this and put it like this. Then you can go like this, plus you have like this. This is your letter H. Correct? If you don't want to make it curve here, you can just leave it till here. This also will work. So I'll take you step by step. What are these steps? See, the first step is you will go like this. This is your line number 1. So this and this. Okay. Now since you've created like this, now you have to go to line number 2. This is this. So this is your line number 2. The final one, do you remember letter A? Same way we have to do it over here also. So this is like this, it's going like this, going down, putting it like this, and this. What are we going to do? We'll take it from here, make it a circle, and come back like this. This is your third line. This is how we trace, this is how we make letter H. So I'll show you the final one. How does it look? So it is like this. Then we have like this. I start here and close it here. Okay, if I have to write something here, I will say like this, like this. We can say H-E-N, hen. Correct? Okay, so the next set of letters, you'll get it in my next video. Till then, please stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Press on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.